Have you ever noticed your internet slowing down the second you turn on your VPN? That's probably because you're not using one of the most underrated VPN features out there. Split tunneling, which is basically like a VPN superpower most people are not using. Most don't even realize how much smoother their experience could be once they turn it on. And real quick, before we dive in, if you do want to grab one of the top VPNs that actually support split tunneling and get the best deals on them, I'll leave the links right below and put a QR code on screen so you can check them out at any time. All right, so I first found out about split tunneling when I was trying to stream a local show while still connected to a VPN for security. Everything kept buffering. My connection slowed to a crawl, and I thought maybe VPNs just aren't built for this. But then I discovered that with split tunneling, you can choose which apps go through your VPN and which ones don't, meaning I could stream at full speed and stay secure on my other tabs at the same time. So let's talk about which VPNs actually do this well, because not all of them handle split tunneling the same way. Starting with NordVPN. This one's easily one of the fastest VPNs I've ever tested, and its split tunneling is incredibly intuitive. You can control which apps or websites go through the VPN directly in your desktop app, and it keeps your speed nearly identical to your normal connection. Plus, with over 6,000 servers across 111 countries, you're always going to find a fast connection. Their threat protection feature also blocks malware and ads even when your VPN is off, which is rare. The only small drawback, split tunneling isn't available on macOS yet, only on Windows and Android. But if you want to try it out now, NordVPN is currently 74% off plus 3 free months. I'll drop that link below for you. Next up is TotalVPN. This one's honestly the most underrated of the bunch. It doesn't have as big a server network as Nord, but what I like about it is how clean and beginner friendly it is. Split tunneling here feels seamless. It's perfect if you just want a no-fuss setup. You can keep your work apps secure while streaming or gaming at full speed. And with servers in over 30 countries, it covers the essentials. The only downside, it's not ideal for super heavy streaming users who need tons of global server options. Right now though, you can get 80% off of TotalVPN through the link in the description or by scanning that QR code on the screen. And then we have Surfshark VPN, probably the best value if you want performance and features without paying premium prices. Split tunneling here is called Bypasser, and it works flawlessly on both desktop and mobile. You can whitelist apps or even specific websites, which is super convenient if you want your bank app to stay local while everything else runs securely through the VPN. Surfshark also offers unlimited device connections, meaning one plan covers every device in your house. It runs over 3,200 servers in 100 different countries, and the speeds are consistently solid. Surfshark's running a deal right now that gets you 60% off plus 3 free months. Links below for that one too. Moving on to Norton VPN. You've probably heard of Norton for its antivirus, but its VPN is surprisingly good, especially for casual users. It's one of the simpler options out there, and its split tunneling is built right into the app. It's not the fastest VPN on the list, and the number of servers is smaller, but where it shines is integration. If you're already using Norton for device protection, adding their VPN just ties everything together perfectly. They're offering $35 off right now, so if you want something simple and secure, it's a great pick. And finally, CyberGhost VPN. This one's great if you're into streaming or gaming. It's got over 11,000 servers in 100 countries, and its split tunneling features gives you precise control. You can decide which sites bypass VPN, and the speeds stay incredibly consistent. CyberGhost interface is also one of the easiest to navigate, great for beginners. My only issue, it can take a second longer to connect sometimes. But once it's on, it's solid. CyberGhost currently has a 74% off plus 3 free months deal. So if you've been frustrated with slow VPN speeds or constant disconnects, try turning on split tunneling. It's seriously the easiest way to make your VPN feel invisible, fast, smooth, and just working in the background like it should. And if you want to try any of these VPNs with those deals I mentioned, just click the links below in the description or scan the QR codes that you see on screen and grab them before they're gone. Now, which VPN are you using right now? And do you use split tunneling? I'm curious how it's been for you. Go ahead, drop your comments below and let's compare notes.